Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download UFL on PS5. Let's begin. First, open the Play Store on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. To quickly access the search option, press the triangle button on your controller. This will take you directly to the search bar. If UFL is trending, you might see it right away in the featured list. In that case, simply select the game and begin the download process. It's quick and easy when the game is already highlighted. If UFL doesn't appear in the trending section, go to the top of the screen and use the search bar. Type in UFL and press done. Wait a moment for the results to load. The game should now be visible in the list. Click on the game to open its page. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you will see a download option. Select it to start downloading. If the game is already installed, you will see the option to play instead. That's all you need to do to get UFL on your console. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.